We are going to be playing speed draw. So right now we have to draw a starfish. You can rate them 1 to 10 in the comments if you really want to. Color this in. You know how they have like pinkish tentacles? Gonna get light pink. So, don't want that. Oh no! Let's just pretend that now. Uh-oh. It's gonna mess us up so bad. Let's trash this whole thing. Because when you mess one thing up, you can't. It's so hard to find the color. But then I found this palettes thing. I think that's really cool. So yeah, that's our starfish so far. Let's fill all of this in. Oh no, we only have 1 more minute. Go, 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 go. Light pink. This is kind of what we were going for last drawing, but we had to delete that because we messed up. I'm going for like an Adopt Me theme. Brush size 95. Black. No, we didn't finish. And we were first. That would have looked so good if it didn't have that face. I wonder how you guys like it. You could rate it 1 to 10 in the comments or It's Patrick. I'm gonna give that a 4-star. It takes a lot for me to get a 5-star, so 4-star for you. I don't want to be mean, but that's like a 1-star. That's pretty good. I'll give that a 4. Because also, fun fact: starfishes don't have a body; they're just a floating head. Oh, it's a starfish, not star. So 2 stars just for making that star. That would get a 5 stars if, but that's like the wrong type of star. Yeah, you're getting 0 stars for me for just a black screen. Like, am I seeing what you're seeing? A black screen? Am I going colorblind or like? Oh, that's cute. 1 star. 1 star because they only made 1 starfish. And the winners are. Dang it. Sauce. Bombastic spider eye. Look up. I got 5th place. Okay, so nothing's really happening. It's bombastic side eye. Let's look at what they like. That's something funny. That's something pretty detailed. That's something that's still somewhat redeemed. Wait, how did he said he only got 1 star? Alligator. So I heard if you give them a giant head and a tiny stick body. It's like a 5. Let's put it at 5. This is my alligator. Breast size this big. Now we're gonna go to palettes, white. We're gonna want to redo that. Let's go back to green. No. Fix that. That's not. I want palettes. Maybe it was this green. No. That's blue. That's what I'm talking about. You can never find your colors. You use it once. Delete the whole thing. This does not look that good. Sorry. Okay, now we're giving him his little stick man legs, because apparently that gives you a lot of points. The green heart. Oh no, make that red, make that red. We weren't in enough time. And of course I'm up first. Meh. 0 stars for you, I guess, because that's definitely not an alligator. Four stars, 3. I think they should have colored him in, but that would probably be very hard. So I'm gonna give it 5 stars. But I don't know how I feel about this. 1. I guess I can see how that could be a alligator. Oh wait, Robo joined. What's up, Robo?
What's up?
I don't get what they're. I don't get that one. And the winners are. Please tell me. The stick body usually works. Maybe it was because my brush wasn't thin enough. Where's your stylist? Okay, so we're pulling. So you also have this mechanical pin with us. Okay. Yeah, but okay. Also, you currently have my monkey because we switched accounts. Here, we should switch back now. Yes, I do have a monkey. And the only reason my body's not blocky like it usually is because it was for a video. So I'm loving this palette today. Palette's new. How is that close to palettes? Brown, yeah, more brown. And brush eye big. You know, I'm just gonna go to custom. Then we're gonna add like some black and brownish highlights. Uh-oh, I need to turn on the brush. Delete this. Confirm. Just gonna quickly color this in. So yeah, this is gonna be a cookie soon. It'll come together soon. Now we're gonna turn brush size down, add some highlights. Shading. Over. I think we're gonna erase that. I don't like it. Eraser on this side. Oh no, our cookie is getting eaten. Cancel. Wait, you know what? I kind of like this. Looks like someone took a bite out of our cookie now. You know what? Yeah, we're just gonna do nothing because that didn't come out that good. So we're just gonna do nothing. This is up first. That's gonna be 5 stars.
Thanks.
That's kind of what I was gonna do, like a live cookie. 3 stars. Whose is that? 2 stars. That's pretty good though. It's good, but I get what they're trying to do. 1 stars, because this usually would be 0, but kind of see what they're trying to do.
Is this yours?
No. Mine is the one with blinking nothingness. 4 stars. This is close to a sketch, but they didn't use the right color for shading. Plus, it looks like the sun and the moon.
This you?
Nope, mine's just whiteness. This is gonna be 3 stars. It almost has every quality it needs. And the winner.
I didn't see yours come up.
Oh yeah, that's why.
Because you didn't do anything?
Yeah, I just decided I deleted it all, but I didn't realize the time. My cookie would have been so good though. I still don't know how I got third place. Last round, we just had to do something that would get us 5 stars. Last time, the winner got 16 stars, and we can beat that. We can beat that.
All right, let's see what this category is. A snail. Oh man.
Turbo. Yo, I'm gonna make turbo. It's gonna be very good and cool. How's yours going?
Okay.
Take a snail or you make them.
Just a regular old snail.
The snail will have needful speed.
It's a good idea.
Yeah. Turbo. On a beigeish color.
What else do I want to do with this? Let's give him some grass.
I don't think I looked in that. One minute remaining. That's scary. I don't remember Hero having yellow antennas.
Did he?
Yeah, maybe. How do you spell turbo?
You started off.
T-O-T-U-O.
Mm-hmm. Turbo. Sorry, I was actually trying to concentrate while I was doing that. Let me make sure Turbo. Yeah, okay, we said it right.
Turbo. I made Turbo the snail.
Is that you?
First, yeah.
All right, you're up for. That's a nice one. I like what you did with the show.
And
I like how you made it a really smiley face. That was really nice.
yeah, thank you. I didn't have enough space to fit
That's mine.
Oh, I like that.
Thanks.
5 stars. I always give 5 stars to sketches.
I'll give that a 1.
He just didn't have time to make the face. I'm gonna give it 3 stars. Because he didn't have time. But I could see that being good. Yo, that's 5 stars.
5-star for that one? Okay.
Like, whenever it has shading and it's a cute sketch, then I'm always giving it 5 stars.
I don't think that has shading. That one looks like kind of what I did. A little bit.
4 finished. Yeah. I'm between 4 and 3.
That one's actually pretty funny. It's got like a mustache.
To be honest, maybe a 5. He's hilarious. Or 4. Yeah, 4. He's hilarious.
Yay! This one's having fun.
Kitty. I guess they kind of added shading. That's a 4 stars. I guess they were kind of trying to add shading, or maybe it was the outlines. And the winners are. Oh, we didn't make it in. At least the one that added shading made it in. I got 6 and you got 5th. That's mean. That's cool. So look at my monkey there.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I got a monkey still. I got a pets. I wonder how you trade it.
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
A
bird.
Yeah. Well, I actually was hoping for this.
Were you? Okay.
I'm gonna make a crow.
Are you?
Fill this Uber jobber in. It's an Uber jobber. Fill the Uber jobber in. Or a crow. I'm surprised that Turbo didn't get first place last time.
Oh no, I just wrote on my thing accidentally and it messed it up. I'm gonna have to redo the whole thing, or the whole head.
Why does my crow look so concerned? Maybe I should add something new. I am so excited to see the birds. Now we're gonna get out this grayish for some shading. More gray. Like this bird have shading in some places. I'm gonna add some grass lines. Grass as lines. I'm gonna make these lines grass. Oh, I didn't have enough time to finish the grass. I don't know how.
All right, is this you?
Yeah, that's
All right, 5 stars.
No. Why does my crow look so concerned?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see the next
That's
one.
mine.
Oh, I like that.
Next.
5 stars. Let's see the next one. I don't know what I'm looking at. 3 stars just cause. I can't tell if it's bad in a good way, so I don't know how to rate it. If it had eyes, then it would be a 3. Like maybe a it 4, but it's a penguin. Yo, we should have Daughter of the Penguin. I'm gonna give it a 4 because it's very original. Hope I win. It's
Bud, sorry.
bad.
Maybe he's trying to say bad.
Oh, now I want to give him 5 stars. 0 stars. If you don't click on anything, that gives them 0 stars.
Okay.
Wait, is that bird dead?
Hey,
Yes,
I finally
first
got one.
place.
Hey, first
I
place
got
for
first
you.
Place. I got first place.
All right.
The concerned bird.
And that's how we're going to end it.
Okay, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Bye.